What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. We are at the gym today and it's my second workout back after being in Guatemala. We worked out that one time. I worked out with Jen. It was on a Thursday, and then I didn't work out again until this Monday, which was yesterday, and I worked out with Tito. And I haven't done like a weights workout in a while, so although I'm on a program, obviously I haven't stuck to the program in the last week because I was gone and I couldn't work out really. Totally okay with me. It's really nice to have some structured freedom. Like, I do have the program that I'll stick to when I can, but the rest of the time I'm just like kind of doing my own thing. So as great as it is to have a program, there's so many other things going on in my life where sticking to 100% is just not realistic, which I'm totally okay with. So what we're gonna do today is just do a nice booty workout, which I haven't done like just legs workout in quite a while. We're gonna do just some like pump stuff. I'm gonna do whatever I kind of feel like, and I'm excited about it. So we're just gonna start off with some stretching and then just go for it.
Lifting me out of the dark as we ignite.
Such a great noise. I'll match it. I did 100 jump ropes 3 times in a row yesterday.
That's awesome.
Are you proud of me?
Yes, I'm so proud.
So
I bet
excited.
Tito was psyched.
He was like, wow, you need to take some time off more often. I was like, yeah. Be super light and slow. Okay, so while we're filming the vlog today, Emma and I are working together all day, and not only are we answering all of your questions from my last Instagram post, but you're not gonna see them in one YouTube video like everybody else does. They're gonna be all separate everywhere. So they'll be on Instagram and on Facebook. So follow me on fb.me/itsamandabucci. That's the only thing I could get. And then they're all gonna be on there, and they're gonna be an Ask Amanda series. So if you have any questions, go down below, because I'm gonna answer like literally every question ever and just make it into one video at a time. So it's really easy to find them. It's really easy to get your questions answered, and I can create a hashtag on Instagram and on Facebook for everybody to find all of the questions. So it'll be really easy. I'm excited. That's what we're doing today, all day. But we're gonna work out in the middle of it. Everything very slowly and controlled. Strong contractions. Just about getting a nice glute pump today. And that's it. That's the only plan. So if you struggle to get your glutes to activate, maybe you've been sitting forever, you don't know, you're like, how do people get that pump? Like, I don't get that. It used to be really easy for me because I used to train glutes all the time. I used to lift heavy all the time. And I used to be really mobile and do lots of mobility work all the time. And now I'm doing lots of mobility work and cardio stuff, but not as much like bodybuilding, like booty workouts and stuff like that. So I struggle a lot to like make these work really efficiently, and you can feel it when they turn on. You're like, oh, that's it. So if you're struggling, it's really all about opening up your hips. Like, I had a session with my chiropractor Mike today, making sure your hips are really mobile, and then making sure your abs are activated, and then just like doing some, I don't have my bands with me, but like abductor stuff, I can even just do it like this and really just focus on like the small movements to get these active. Do some like single leg. They're going now. Almost. So it's obviously really light. I'm just going really slow and squeezing at the top. Don't go all the way down here. We don't. Stop here. A lot of filet mignons in the gym today. There's like 4 very massive male bodybuilders over there. And I'm over here like, I'm just a tempeh. Plant-based. No meat over here.
It's a good bad joke.
It's a good bad joke. That's like my specialty, good bad jokes. They're not good jokes, but they're not bad.
Yeah. It's like you're trying, so it's like, aw.
It's like, aw, she's kind of funny, but not really. I never do these with like my butt off the seat, but Tito was like, you get more glute activation, and I'm like, I don't know. I feel like the other way I have to focus on floating, and this way I get to focus on my glutes. ones, and it's almost like I like the old rickety ones better because the range of motion was better. They were really worn in, and these new ones are just a little. It's a first world problem. I don't even know why. What's up, guys? So we just got done with a little panel speaking event at USC, University of Southern California. I was asked a couple of months ago to do this, and it's a big women's event at the school, which I think is super awesome. We just talked all about health and business and fitness, and it was just really cool panel to be on, so happy to do that. Emma came to film, and now she's making me lunch over here. She's making, I'll show you guys. She's making sweet potato quesadillas. Okay. And in the meantime, I'm eating a crap ton of these guys. But the real meal is the snack before the meal. Oh my god, it looks so good.
So you have a flour tortilla, and then this vegan chow cheese. This is my favorite vegan cheese. And sweet potato, baked sweet potato, and then black beans, and then some green onion.
Oh, so good.
And plate here.
Oh, it looks amazing.
It's like so crispy.
It's a little crispy. I like it crispy.
Guacamole and salsa.
A good hostess. We'll do a little bit of guac. That was really good. You weren't wrong.
Yes.
That was amazing. My new favorite thing. Just like the texture of beans and sweet potato with like the crunchy outside.
And
like,
the guac.
And the guac. It's like there's nothing better than that. This is so good.